Huracán Tecnica just about wrapped up. We got a whole bunch of things painted.
All right, so our boys at Premiere, Jay got a new whip. So we're gonna go give him a consult in person, maybe pick up something nice, make a deal. Maybe we could barter something. Maybe they wanna get something wrapped, work it into the deal. We will see. And that's it, guys.
That's it. We're gonna take our computer with us. We're gonna do a render for him, show him exactly how it's gonna look. And we're about 5 steps away, so see you.
She bought it. She paid the difference. She's out there in the wild rock in town, you know.
I like, I'll be honest, I don't know about price.
Oh, shit.
Grandma's getting surgery, so.
Okay, yeah.
Interior de un Rolex, echemos un vistazo.
You seen that before?
Yeah, no, you know you can speak fluent.
Flacco texted me. He's like, yo, your English, your Spanish are so good.
Referencia 11. Ahora abramos la tapa trasera.
Look, he goes in right now.
All right, Mike, what are we doing?
All right, so this is similar build to what we're doing to Jay's car. He's got a GLE AMG. We're going to do similar style diffuser, but we're going to do it in carbon fiber. Skip the spoiler. It's going to be a two-tone on top. So the car right now is a black base, so it's going to be satin black on top, gloss black on the bottom, all black accents. Calipers are going red. He's got the full red guts on the inside. So we're going to match that. And we're going to do a front lip. Still got to pick. We're going to bring a couple options to him or have him stop by the shop, see a couple different options in person. And we're going to get him looking right.
Looks good.
Okay, that was like a
So you're gonna do two-tone?
Two-tone, yeah. So black on top, sorry, satin black on top, gloss black on the bottom.
Oh, so just black, just all blacked out, basically murdered out. Yeah, nice.
With accents.
Nice. That interior, oh, that blue interior.
Gonna have to trade this for the present. We could get things here, but he's got red. He's got all red already.
I could have got the the blue, but it was like navy blue.
Yeah, yeah. I forget what they call like maritime or whatever. But it's gonna be sick.
It would look cool with like a pearl white exterior or
yeah.
some shit like that. With black, it doesn't look good.
Black and red.
That blue looks cool.
Yeah.
But
Yo, you know what watch that I want really bad? The presidential lapis lazuli face.
sick as hell, yeah.
How much are you gonna get it for?
It depends, bro. It just depends on like the year, papers, no papers, if it's been refinished or not. You know what I mean? Like,
Used to be like the Art Deco, like
yeah. That shit's sick as fuck too.
Let's go. I'm telling you, it's gonna be me.
Let's see who's gonna win. It's 40-second timer, so it might be hard to confirm. 40 seconds?
Yeah.
Are we live?
Yeah.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Tracy!
Yeah! Let's go, Tracy!
Yeah!
Congratulations!
All right,
Look, he was out there looking. He was like, "What the fuck's going on?"
You can get a 25 for like 62, 63,000. It's 66 now. It's 2026. Like you can't. I'm the only one who has it.
Shit, that jacket look one of one.
We do, but it would have to be like
unique.
It wouldn't be like a standalone hand wash. It would be like an interior.
Came in heavy today. He wanted to treat himself nice.
All right, everybody. Congrats to all the winners on the giveaway. But an even bigger announcement. We got Lux Auto Studios in the building. Joe just cashed out on a beautiful GMT two-tone. Sheesh.
Thank you to the family.
You guys need anything car-wise or watch-wise, hit us up. We're here to service you guys. All of Monmouth County and everywhere else, too.
Congrats on everything, bro.
Yep.
Got the Mackies, bro? That's just hard. Like that? My brother, we'll see you. You're the man.
See you later.
Camera guy.
Yep. See you. Sir.
Sorry.
Later, guys. Have a good
Later,
one.
guys. You excited?
This is probably my favorite one so far. Actually, I think the gold one was, but this is the sickest one so far. Basically, I like the gold one the best, but this is the rarest. I know it's going for auction on Barrett Jackson on the 24th. They're saying it's going to go for like $775. Someone has one up right now for $675. So this auction like determines the price of this car pretty much. And
12 days. No, wait. 20 days? 18 days? What day is it? But, yeah.
You're giving you all these fucking letters and numbers for him, and he might just throw
He's
them
gonna be like, Lambar Jumbar or Bugatata.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's another Saturday. As you can tell, we have this Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica just about wrapped up. We got a whole bunch of things painted on it. Right now, we're going to be doing a very technical. We're going to be putting the bumper onto the car, just carefully, because there's a lot of repainted sections on it. Even though it's probably good to go and dry, we just like to take extra precaution because sometimes the paint can still be wet, even if you think it's good to go. So, tune in.
What are we? We're lit?
We're lit.
It's lit.
The bumper's on.
It's lit.
I put a couple bolts in there. What's up? Here we go, my man. And voila. Finally, picture perfect, man. That's for you, and that's 1-to-1. All this done in the gloss black, man. Hell yeah. Carbon fiber, you know, once again, this stuff literally looks as real as the real stuff, you know what I'm saying? All around.
I don't even want to drive it, bro.
Especially in this weather, man.
Yeah, I know.
I was about to say, like, all the gloss that we did on this thing, I think was just the best way of doing it, you know? It just contrasts everything. You have the paint that's already satin, you know, you have that little bit of contrast. Like, and at this point, I think you're like maxed out. I don't even think there's anything else you can do to it. You know what I'm saying?
I think that should be it, but I don't know.
I want to let you know. So with the PPF sections that we did, the gloss black, obviously just don't wash the car for a week. We wash it just because there's a way to doing it. I don't want anyone else doing it. But besides that, if you see any water bubbles or anything like that for the first week or two, don't trip over it. It's a water application. We're just banking that the sun's going to be out, that, you know, that's going to evaporate all that water. But and then also for all the painted sections that we did in gloss black, that's a pretty standard issue. Just whoever washed it, just hand wash it. You know,
They always get hand washed.
Perfect. And then I'm trying to think of what else. And yeah, besides that, you should be all set. This stuff as well, once again. Dude, this is my thing in particular. Looks crazy. Like it really does. It needed it. I did.
It had so much weight, and then this gloss black in the back definitely.
Like in my opinion, I wish the car came.
Like, I don't know why they leave it like it looks cheap. Like when.
But now it looks like Yeah, absolutely, brother. But besides that, man, any questions?
Nah, I'm all good, bro. Yes, sir. Nah, thank you, man.
Awesome. But all right, guys, see you in the next one.